Watch the 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor jump out of a plane. It may seem extreme for a truck to jump out of a plane, but that's exactly what the Ford Ranger Raptor is. The 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor jumped out of a plane to let fans know that it has been cleared for landing in Europe. The 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor jumped out of a plane. The 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor is a big deal, and it will be available all over the world. According to Muscle Cars and Trucks, that's why the Ranger Raptor made a big splash by jumping out of a plane. A recent video shows the new Ranger Raptor escape from a cargo plane, sliding under an aircraft and dominating mud and water on an airfield. The commercial aims to highlight the Ranger's extreme capability. However, the Ranger could have waited for the plane to land. The aircraft was descending to the tarmac when the truck started to pull on its chains to break free. The commercial didn't indicate that the truck was taken by enemies. It's unclear why the truck needed to escape. However, we understand that waiting for a plane to be taxied is a little frustrating sometimes. The Ranger Raptor was simply ready to tackle the wild. Did the Raptor Ranger really jump out of a plane? Yes, the 2023 Ford Ranger Raptor commercial is real. It took almost 3 months of planning, and 38 crew members worked for 3 days in controlled conditions at a secure airfield to prepare for the stunt. On a quick, interesting side note, the airfield in the video was previously used to build and test military jets. Paul Swift performed the jumps and drifts. He is a world leader in precision stunt driving with over 30 years of experience under his belt. Paul also drove the new Ford Ranger Raptor during the live European reveal event, so he had time to get to know the truck. Plus, Ford was so confident in the Ranger Raptor's abilities that a production model without any mechanical enhancements was used. The only modification made was replacing the standard seatbelt with a multi-point driver safety harness. How capable is the 2023 Ranger Raptor? We probably won't see more 2023 Ranger Raptor models jumping out of planes, but the truck is highly capable of performing jumps, just like the larger Ford F-150 Raptor. Paul Swift mentioned that he was impressed by the 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine and advanced box suspension. The twin-turbocharged engine cranks out 392 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, but those figures could be different in the American version. It has the same 10-speed automatic transmission, standard 4-wheel drive, and locking front and rear differentials as the Ford Bronco Raptor. It rides on 17-inch alloy wheels that are wrapped in Raptor-exclusive performance all-terrain tires. It also has wider fender flares for a broader stance. The Ranger Raptor has an 11.1-inch ground clearance. Ford hasn't released the Ranger Raptor's off-roading specs yet. It's expected to have improved approach, breakover, and departure angles, though. We should learn more in the next few months as the Ranger Raptor arrives.